This is the code for our state machine with major and minor cycles.
So here we have the clock push button. This is the reset switch. This is the ready switch. LED 11 represents the fetch state. LED 12 represents the defer state. And LED 13 represents the execute state. LEDs 14, 15, 16, and 17 represent the minor cycles that each major state will run through. So as you can see, as I click the clock, we're running through minor cycles in the fetch state. And then once we get to the last minor cycle in the fetch state, we jump to the first cycle of the defer state, and I can cycle through those. And then we get to execute, cycle again. When execute's done, we go back to fetch. I can run through a couple of these. This is our code for generating control signals.
So right now we have the ready switch on right here, and we're using this key 3 as the clock cycle. So, okay, so currently we are in the fetch state, which is shown by LED 12, and CP1 as shown on LED 14. We have, in this state, we have bus 3 to MAR on, as well as PC to bus 1 and transfer 1. So here we go to CP2, we've got the add signal on, as well as bus 3 to PC. Now we've got MAR to bus 1 and the read signals on. Now we've got bus 3 to IR and MBR to bus 2. Now we should be going into execute, which is shown by LED 13, which I accidentally just skipped a cycle, but we are in CP4 of execute, and we could run back through that. Okay, there we go. We're in CP1 of execute, and we've got 0 loaded in to represent our instruction register, so that should represent the LDA function. This is bus 3 to MAR in LED 4 and the read signal, and it would cycle through that. And then we'll do an example of putting division instruction in, and so that changes our instruction shown here on the display. And we can cycle through that and see those control signals. So here in execute with division, we've got LED 4, which is bus 3 to MAR and read. Then we'll show one more for BIP when we get to execute. Oh, there we go. Yeah, 1, 0. We've got 1 to bus 2, add bus 3 to PC, and PC to bus 1.